Our goal was, of course, to move away from paper-based production to paperless production. We wanted to digitally pass on all relevant production data that the worker needs to manufacture their workpiece. There was no comparable product on the market. As a result, we actually developed our terminals to provide all the data digitally to the employee. He now has the drawings digitally, so to speak. Things he needs for production purposes can be accessed digitally. And yes, it was ultimately an in-house development by the company LOEW. On one hand, it is very helpful for monitoring capacity utilization. As we can see on a screen, how busy the production or the individual machine is in the end. We have the great advantage that from the workstation, you can now have an overview of the entire hall and all the machines on the PC, as you can see in the background here. That is the biggest advantage at the moment. We can now, of course, evaluate the individual machines based on the data, better define and analyze the various reasons for machine downtime, and thus recognize early on or determine, for example, as a reason why a machine is more frequently or more prone to certain failures, and then make decisions based on this data.